If you feel like nothing excites you the way that it used to, it's not because you're lazy. It's because your brain has been overloaded. And the worst part is, most people don't even realize it's happening. Think about it. If you can scroll for hours, binge videos, or jump from one thing to another, you clearly are curious. So the problem isn't that your curiosity is gone, it's that it's being used against you. Your brain is constantly searching for something new, something interesting, something worth paying attention to. That's how it's designed. The same system that drives scientists, creators, and deep thinkers is the exact same system that keeps you stuck refreshing your feed. The only difference is where that curiosity is directed. Some people use it to grow. Most people get trapped by it. Here's what's actually happening behind the scenes. Curiosity works like a gap. The moment your brain realizes there's something it doesn't know, it creates a kind of tension, and that tension pulls you toward the answer. That's why you click on headlines. That's why you can't ignore something intriguing. Your brain treats information like it matters, because biologically, it does. Now, here's where things start to go wrong. There's one key chemical behind all of this: dopamine. Dopamine isn't just about pleasure, it's about motivation. It's what makes you want to do something. When your dopamine system is balanced, simple things feel interesting. A good conversation, a meaningful book, learning something new. But in today's world, your brain is constantly being flooded. Every notification, every short video, every scroll. Each one gives you a quick spike of dopamine. Up, then down. Up, then down. Again, and again, and again. And your brain adapts. It notices this constant stimulation and tries to protect you. So it reduces sensitivity, which means over time you need more stimulation just to feel the same level of interest, and your baseline drops. This is why normal life starts to feel dull. Reading feels like effort. Conversations feel empty. Even your goals don't feel exciting anymore. But highly stimulating content? That still works, because it's intense enough to break through. That's why it's so hard to stop scrolling even when you know it's wasting your time, even when it leaves you feeling empty. So, let's make this clear. You're not lazy, you're not boring, and you haven't lost your curiosity. Your brain has just been overstimulated. Here are a few signs this might be happening to you. You sit down to focus, and within seconds you reach for your phone. You consume a lot of content but struggle to remember anything meaningful. And deep down, it feels like you've stopped growing. The good news is, this is completely reversible. Step 1. Reduce overstimulation. You don't have to disappear from the internet, but you do need to cut down the most intense inputs. Endless scrolling, short-form content. Create friction. Keep your phone away when you're working. Turn off notifications. Step 2. Move your body. Exercise is one of the fastest ways to rebalance your brain. Even something simple like walking daily can make a huge difference. Step 3. Go deep again. Instead of jumping between dozens of things, choose one. Something that genuinely caught your attention, and spend time exploring it properly. Read about it. Watch something long-form. Stay with it. Because right now, your brain is used to constant switching, and that's what's killing your curiosity. When you slow down and go deeper, something starts to change. Things begin to feel interesting again. You think more clearly. You remember more. You actually enjoy learning. And over time, you don't just consume the world differently, you experience it differently. So, no, you don't lack curiosity. You've just trained your brain to chase easy stimulation. Fix that, and everything changes. If this made you think, start today, not tomorrow, today. And if you want more videos like this, subscribe.